Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change payment method on Mobile Legends using your iPhone. If you want to change your payment method on Mobile Legends using iPhone, then you can follow the simple steps. Simply keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your payment method using your iOS device, you'll first need to go open up your settings from your iPhone. From the settings menu, tap on your name at the very top of the screen and tap on payment and shipping. You might also need to sign in using your Apple ID in this process once you are done with it. Here in this page, you can tap on the add payment method button and simply go ahead and enter your payment information in the text boxes. Enter your credit or debit card number inside the number text box. On the next field, enter your expiry date, enter your security code or the CVV number on the next field. And after you are done setting up your payment method, tap the Done button at the top right. Now, once you enter your payment information, you can delete your previous payment information or the old payment method used on your iPhone. Once you change your payment information on your iOS device, you can now open up your Mobile Legends application, and that is how you can easily change your payment method on Mobile Legends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.